alam nyo, ang exercise naman talaga mga health checkers, it's actually physical stress. Sasabihin ng mga pupunta sa gym, ba't ako mag-exercise? Stress nga yun eh. So may dalawang klaseng stress. Yung nakukuha sa exercise, it's called eustress or EU stress. Yung nakukuha sa stress sa trabaho, sa problema, yun naman na tinatawag na de-stress or DI stress. So gusto natin ng balance between the two. Kung parati na lang tayong nasa negative stress, di ibig sabihin wala tayong balance. Kailangan natin ng positive stressors as well. Ang maganda sa exercise, maraming benefits, hindi lang biological but also psychological. So biological, nag-decrease yung production ng mga stress hormone and nag-i-increase yung production ng endorphins, which are your feel-good hormones. Pangalawa, meron tayong improvements in our cardiovascular system when we exercise, which will lower your resting heart rate o yung heart rate na pinakamababa na nag-maintain lang ng inyong basic functions. Pag mababa yun, ibig sabihin hindi mataas yung heart rate and you will be physically less stressed as well. And then, of course, meron tayong mga behavioral na mga effects ng exercise. Yun ay, kumbaga we call it meditation in movement. When you focus on exercise and exercise alone, people tend to forget yung mga ibang problema. Meron kumbaga break from the stresses of the holiday season and other stressors that they're making. So, very big deal. In fact, ang isang madalas na recommend ng mga psychologists nowadays is physical activity. Physical activity as part of therapy as well. So napaka-importante, napakalaki ng impact ng exercise sa physical and mental health.